Hey everybody, it's Neil, and not that I'm gonna cut my own hair, but if I did want to, I could use this. Got it actually to cut some of the dog's hair, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. These look like here. It's nice. These are heavy, so these are gonna be some nice hair cutting scissors. So we got them out here. It comes with a 2-pack, and I'll show you guys what they are here. One's a hair cutter, and one's the hair thinner. So this is what it looks like here, and you can see it's got the nice little loops in there to give you the comfort feel, and then you have your little finger rest on there, so you can get your cutting and have very good accuracy. We have a little tightener here, so if we're not cutting good, we can tighten it up and get it updated as well. We have this little thing here that'll just kind of clean it and keep it nice. And so these are the scissors here. So if I wanted to cut some hair, look at all this hair I got here. I could just go. Am I cutting it? Nope, I'm cutting my hand. Ooh, cut it nice and smooth. Cut off some hair. So there we go. There's some of my hair. Definitely need a haircut. Now my, it looks like a rat's nest. But okay, and so we have those, and then we have the thinners here. So if you've seen these before, these are the comb ones. So that will go through, and it'll cut like, you know, like a third of the, or a quarter of your hair or something like that. So if you go and clip it, you know, even if you have long hair, you can clip it towards the front and it'll thin out the hair bottom to make it lay better. I think that's what they do for my cowlick up there when they cut it. So it's kind of nice, and these are super comfortable as well. They have the little soft plastic on the inside, got a little rubber here, so when it closes, it doesn't, you know, doesn't hurt so much. This one has it as well. So kind of just gives you the comfort feeling, just because if you're sitting in there doing this all day long, you just want something comfortable, that's for sure. So that's what these are here. These are some really nice hair cutting scissors. This is the barcode for it, if it's anything that you guys can recognize, if that means anything. But they are really nice, and they got some good weight to them. And I'm going to say these are good. Thumbs up for me on these scissors for sure.